Good morning all of you. Myself Sandeep Parashar and I am welcoming you online classes 10th class computer class. 10th class we are reading unit 1st digital documentation. In this we are reading session number 2 adding graphics in a document. In this we already completed how to add clip art, images, photos from the gallery, from the scanners, how to modify an images, how to shape group or ungroup. Now my today's topic is positioning image in the text. How we give the position images according to the text. We need to set the position of image with respect to the text and other images by inserting in a text document. The placement of graphics is an important aspect in a Word document, as Word is a word processor application rather than a desktop publishing program. So there are some limitations to do flexibility in position. There are various methods to position an image in a document: wrapping text, arranging images, and align images. Wrapping text means in this our text is overlapped or underlapped in the images. Arranging images, in this we will arrange our images according to the text or according to the shapes. Aligning images, in this we will align our images on the top, right and left. Wrapping text means surrounding an image or a drawing object within the text. The wrap text option is used for this purpose to wrap text around an image. It is available in the arrange group of the format tab. Various options are available in the wrap text drop down menu. Some of them are listed as follows. Wrapping text means our text is under the images or our images is under the text. In line with text, in this in line with text our text come in the images. This is the default option. This option places the images within the same line as the text of square. This option wrap the text around the square border of an image like this. It will give in a square mode our image in the middle. Tight, this option is used with irregular or round shapes to wrap the text. In this it will give a round shape. Top and bottom, in this our images come in middle, text started from the top and after that bottom. Throw, this option is similar to the tight option as it also places the text around the shape of the image only. Surrounding, behind text, photo will come after the text in the behind. In front of text, photo will come on the upper side of the text like this. In line, square, tight, throw, top and bottom, behind, in front. Next is arranging images. While working with the multiple drawing objects, means sometimes we had created so many objects, more than 2, 3. Then what happened? They are overlapped. So we can't see the full symbols and full objects. So what we do? We have two options in this: bring forward and send backward. That enable us to change the order of the object in our document. These options are available in the arrange group of format tab. Bring forward, if you give any object it will come on the top. Send backward, in this if you give another object it will go in the back of first. How to do? Insert a few overlapping shapes in a document like a rectangular, circles and cloud. Format the shape as desired. To bring the rectangular in front of all the shapes, select the rectangular. Click on the bring forward drop down button in the arrange group of the format tab. First of all you need to create rectangular. After that we will go on the bring forward, and after that whatever object you created it will come in the top. If you select send backward, our all objects go in the back. Next is align images. Aligning means we need to give a setup where our photo will be displayed. We can align drawing images and object horizontally and vertically in a document. To set the alignment, select the image, click on the drop down arrow of the align button in the arrange group of the format tab and select any one of them options. Align left. It horizontally align the left edges of the selected object. If only a single object is selected, the object is aligned to the left of the page. If you select left alignment, our object will go in the left side. Align center. In this, if you select, our photo or images will go in the center of the page. Align right. In this, it is similar. If you select align right, our images or object will go in the right side. Align top. In this, our image will go on the top. Align middle. In the vertically, it will come in the middle. Align bottom. If you select the bottom, in the edge, our photo and images and object will display in the bottom of the vertically in the last edge of the page. Thank you. Stay at home. Stay safe. My chapter is finished.